Electro Co. coming through in the clutch. Do these heat sinks real quick. Thermal grease, stickers. That's nice, they give you thermal grease. Nice. The Electro Co. branded on there. Pretty sweet. Your place for your fan. Big old fan. All the way around. Interesting, huh? Very interesting. So I got two of those, one for Rye and one for me. 650. Here's the second one. I'm not gonna unwrap it right now, but there's the second one. Thermal paste, stickers. All right, let's keep rolling. Let's do this package. 3/4 package. So like I did in the very beginning with my kit, Rye's gonna be running his on 48 volts with that 48 volt 28Ah battery. But of course I'm gonna be doing my own testing when I ride it, sliding my 72 volt battery in there. Right, here's his kit. I mean, his grips. Oh wow. Oh wow, a little bit different. Check this out. And they actually have it labeled 1, 2, and 3. Which is kind of cool. Different grips. Alright, so there's our grips. Here's our voltmeter. Voltmeter, key ignition. Here's our controller. Freaking beautiful controller. I love this controller. Beautiful controller. Beautiful controller. All right. Badon. Love it, man. Same motors I got. Same motor I have in the MX650. With the Kelly controller. KVD 7212NX. Sweet. Sweet. The only thing different than mine is the grips, and I kind of like them. Digging the grip. I don't know. I got a new jack too, which is kind of cool. Got it for the big bike. But this was a 800 watt motor, a 36 volt 800 watt motor with a 48 volt 1000 watt controller, Fast Scooters controller, and a 48 volt 15Ah BTR power battery. This is the same setup that was in the blue bike. I had just put it into Rise to hold him over until he got his kit. So we'll go ahead and pull this stuff out. I'll get it lifted up. We'll pull all this stuff out. Side panel. Yep. Yep. Good, that'll take off your side panels. Get in there. So yeah, as you can see, that's the Fast Scooter setup I had. Go. Use the bungee idea with the battery. Unplug the battery. Boom. We're going to disconnect the throttle here. Boom, that'll release that throttle. Take this battery out. All right, this is going in here, just like that. Boom. Put these zip ties here. Okay. Release the chain. Just push down like that. Just kind of roll it so it comes off, kind of. Just get it started. Put a lock nut washer and a regular washer on it. Okay. Slide it down like that. New Electro and Co kit. That on there. Lefty tighty for this. Okay. So over here I got the thermal paste out here. So what I did is I just put that thermal paste all on the inside, and then I unscrewed the heatsink completely. Just completely unscrewed the heatsink. And I'm gonna screw it back down now. Trying not to get it in these holes. I'm just trying to get it on the outside cracks. But yeah, I just used a whole canister on it. Don't have to worry about all that bullshit. You don't have to worry about clearing that wire. Hold it. Feed it. I'm not going to go all the way tight. I'm going to keep look at the tray. There we go. Now we'll go all the way tight. Good. I'm happy, man. So we're gonna feed it through. At the same time, we need to get this guy on here. We also need to get the brake adapter to go in his home at the same time. Right? Same thing with this piece. There you go. Get your socket wrenches on tight. Tailpiece back on here. Perfect. Got 2.5. Just throttle off. Okay. Loosen it, slide it real quick. Good. Okay, let's get the grip on this side. Freaking nice grips, man. I'm loving them. That's about it right there. Let's just do that. Right here, look for the ones that it kind of matches to, which it's going to be this guy here. Color coordinated, blue, green, yellow. Blue. Straight ahead. Here we go. Try to lay it flat if we can here. Yep. Oh, that's a perfect fit right there, boy. Come around. Come up. Come around. Leaving on the bottom of the chassis. Through here. Run this pole. Like that. Boom. Boom. That's what that will do. While cutting these off. Okay. Okay. This is what we're gonna rock. Waiting on that fan and whole light setup that he's gonna be having up there. Cool ass grips. Very cool, different. Boom, he's done. We're just putting the controller down there because he's gonna want his pocket. So that's what we're doing. Cheers, we'll get some riding through. Yeah, we'll start on 53.5. This is just one. One's got the torque of maybe even more, yeah. So it's already better on one. Let's click it to 2. Oh yeah, this is awesome, bro. This is awesome. Yeah. Hell yeah, this is 2, y'all. Let's go ahead and click it to 3. Let's go ahead and click it to 3, y'all. I'm not getting a miles per hour read on the GoPro. Oh man, it's so clean, y'all. So clean. Oh, he's gonna love this, man. He's gonna absolutely love this. Here we go. We should be getting miles per hour read on everything. Stay to the right here. How you doing? So let's go ahead and call that. Yeah. Hell yeah. Man, this is very, very decent, bro. 38? 48 volts. Woo! Very nice. Very nice. Electro Company, bro, for everything, man. You guys have been like so cool, man, with everything. Any question, they answer it. All I need is some front forks, and I do think I'm gonna grab those from Alter Ego, man, because I'm really digging these chrome forks from them, and I think that will make this like pretty dope. So no, I don't think you're gonna be wheeling on 48 volts. Yeah, no, you're gonna need the 72 volt. Maybe you can with the 82. Remember, I got a 65 pin.